Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're reviewing Shawn Storm's Mr. Cap-Alot, a diss track that's raw, unfiltered, and unapologetic. In this track, Shawn Storm kicks off with aggressive lines like, "When you see me, will you go do? In my dream, no boy can box me." Right from the start, he establishes his dominance and sets an uncompromising tone. Key elements of the song include its explicit, vivid imagery. He boasts, "You don't know that my negator drop a cap a shot. You don't know that see the chas with the pant up a dot," and gets even more explicit and he fires back with, You know what, bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag." These lines mix raw sexuality with street bravado, creating a confrontational and bold diss. I find this track as provocative as it is confrontational. Shawn Storm's explicit language and vivid storytelling push boundaries while delivering a powerful diss. It's not for everyone, but its intensity and unfiltered style make it a standout in the genre. I'm giving Mr. Cap-Alot a solid 3.5 out of 5. If you're into fearless, boundary-pushing diss tracks, this one's definitely worth a listen. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments.